question na. Grabe. Camera na to.
Makulit, hindi lubog.
Note or the choreo. Or the
Messenger princess ni Joanne.
yes, I love it. Funny comment.
B-I-N-I-B-I-N-I Beanie!
Hello, girls. Grabe. Hello, meron din.
True. We are.
Tips or blooms and everything. So, girls, so sana magamit na ng ating mga
Me? I
play for today. So, this time, may challenge tayo. Pero pala natin, sorry, was Mika. Sorry. I have the show. You can also have, of course, our third batch of questions galing sa mga blooms. Thank you and mahal ko kayo. Natin na talaga namang todo ang add to cart at
Hello to at Abby Dimaano.
nila Mika and Aya to take a quick. Yeah, that's nice. And then you see your bond. Kumbaga, diba? So, how about challenges to
Hi guys, we are
So, let's get to the next question na. Grabe.
Same ako sa kanya eh, parang kapag super clingy siya sa akin, wala na akong magawa. So pag ako din, super clingy sa kanya, wala siyang magawa.
Yeah.
Para it's a tie. Ganon.
Hello! Gonna kiss me again? Of course.
Ako sa'yo, eh parang ako yung laging lumalapit sa kanya. Parang wala siyang magawa.
Yes.
Ganun ko siya chini-cheer up, di ba bebe? And I always support her.
You say na parang physical touch is one of your love languages.
Yes!
Grabe! Pati holding hands! Oh, yung sweet ka guys. So,
Kasama po kayo. Ay! Kasama po kayo. Ay! Kasama po kayo. Ay!
Wait lang! Hindi ko na kaya.
Kasi we share.
So, wait lang. Wait lang. Bigla, composure. Composure. Okay. Which one? Sure. So, gaya mo yan, Gina. Gaya mo yan.
Makulit, hindi lubog.
Hindi naman ligid sa ating kaalaman na sabay namin. Wait lang, may lipstick sa Evelyn.
Ano ba yun?
Shit, nasan aking salamin?
Parang inuuna niya munang i-wash yung hair niya bago yung katawan niya, or face. Ganun. So sabay kami may.
Uy!
There was a time.
Oh.
There was a time.
Oh.
You're right.
Ay, tama na to.
Dito. Baka malaglag. No.
Wait lang, i-ano ko muna lahat kung ilan.
Ayan. Kung ilan yung tama ni Colette.
Ayan.
One lang, tama.
So, ito yun.
Okay.
Shucks, dito na lang, nalaglag.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see how many right.
Tama lahat! Tama lahat!
34 seconds left sa timer. Ang galing!
Galing ko!
Grabe, are you
Galing ko!
Grabe, are you
Galing ko!
Grabe, are you psychic?
Wow!
Wow! Wow! Wow, grabe ang bilis.
Ang galing!
Alright, good.
Makulit, hindi lubog. Makulit, hindi lubog.
Sa aking mata
maraming tao. Gusto kita. Gusto kita. Gusto kita.
Shit, nasan aking salamin?
Ang ganda! How many glasses of water do you drink in a day?
Patay! Isa!
Nakaw! Comment you get from Blooms.
Inom tubig!
Inom tubig!
Fresh moment.
Ligo.
Makita si Stacy.
Ay!
Makita si Stacy.
Ay! Grabe naman!
Shit, nasan aking salamin?
Galing yung mga Josie dito. For princess.
Passenger princess ni Joanne.
Ay, yes. I love it.
Binayaran daw namin.
Gusto pala akong kasabay ni Stako sa sasakyan.
Parang hindi naman
Ano
yun.
ba?
Our camera here.
We are. We are.
May kaya.
Anong kailangan kong gawin?
Song na pinaplay mo sa shower. Like, recently, what you've been listening to.
Recently, mga Christina Aguilera song.
Oh, medyo throwback ng konti, but you know. Oh, the vocals are there. How about you, Mika? Like anything you've been singing or dancing to recently? Doon mo na feel na parang, yes, I nailed this note or the choreo. This note or the...
Oh, me? I've been listening to Michael Bublé song.
Very chill, very, very... Pero pareho kayo doon nag-share kayo ng medyo throwback ng konti. Pareho kayo doon nag-share kayo ng medyo throwback ng konti yung mga pinapakinggan nyo. So, So, do you share playlists with each other? Usually, do you share the same taste in music?
Feeling ko dati po, yung together and share the same.
we shared the same
Playlist?
account.
Kasi
Then,
may
our account.
Bakit ganun?
Pero may gamit ng Spotify.
Kasi Ate Aya.
Hanggang gabi bawat
Ate Aya! Ate Aya!
Kasi lahat kaming girls used to live in one house. And then, yung account niya yung nakalagay doon. So lahat ng music na nakikita namin.
You're forced to hear my playlist.
Yeah.